I just got this truck and it's been on the lot for over 200 days. Everybody's commenting that there's one thing that has to change. Listen, if you were in the market to buy a $70,000 truck, would you want these seats? These are like the seats from a doctor's office. Dante Luther sent me this truck because we had to get rid of the cloth seats. Let me show you what I did and you tell me if we made the right choice. This is called a G-Caro design by Aaliyah. You can only get this design exclusively through us. When I first looked at the truck, I just saw too much gray. I knew we had to get more black in here and I wanted something unique, something that, you know, maybe if you're a head of a hedge fund, you could drive this truck, or if you're working on an oil rig, this is still a badass looking truck. Let me know what you think. Would this make you want to buy this truck? Let us know in the comments. Follow Classic Soft Trim.